Morning mga Katimol Vlogs, welcome sa isa namang video bus vlog ngayong araw na to, September 12, 2024, here at Wellington, New Zealand. So, gagamitin nating bus number ngayon ay si 5725 with registration plate number NQY771, which will expire on August 9, 2025. So come on, let's check it out. All good. Oh, come on, check na natin. Oy, old damage. And old damage. Tires are all well inflated and all good. This bus has minimal damage. Kunti lang ang damage niya. Medyo maingat-ingat pa yung mga gumagamit. Old damage. And all good. And all damage. Medyo ito pa. Old damages, fenders damage. Okay, all good. Oh, fenders damage. What happened here? Disaligned. Got disaligned. Whew. There's no need for you to be annual assessment. Maybe. So, all good. And that concludes our bus check for today. Paalam!